Hey guys, so I made a game where there's a flood and you're supposed to go. I just used some free models because I'm sadly not a good maker. Is the flood... Oh, it's coming. I was gonna say, is the flood even coming? A black hole, you need to dodge it. Oh wait, that's just black tiles with a small hole. Alright. This seems hard. Ooh, a checkpoint. Whoa. Ah! No! Yes. Haha! No! No! Ah! Oh, come on! Stop! What's going on? What's up with that jump? First is easy. Like I said, the first is easy, but this... No, please. Yes! Alright. Yeah! Ooh. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. Yes! Yes! Checkpoint! Wow, the flood isn't even close to getting me. This isn't that hard. And I misspoke. Come on, I was so close. Is this even possible? I mean, these small platforms, but how's that gonna help? Yeah, that's definitely not going to help. No. Ah! This is so hard. Knock him over. Go into the water. Yeah. Why? Avoid. Run, flood! Ah, keep on almost making it. It's like I'm just missing. I don't know how you survived. Come on! No. Wish I had like some super jump or some gravity coil. No! Next time I'm definitely adding something to help. So it's not so hard. No! Come on! You saw that? Oh. Oh! The flood's close. Oh my god. Oh my. Ah. I don't know how. I wish I. Alright. How do I... Maybe I can do something. Inventory. Let's see if I can do it. No, it doesn't let me. I can't. Great. Let's just do something else, I guess. Let's play a different flood game. Guess we can play this flood game. Alright. I already know everything. The castle door's open. Well, not completely. Oh, it's not open. Now look at the flood that'll soon be coming. It's not that. Oh my god, it's coming in fast. Give me your key. Oh no, it's here. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's coming. Quick. One of them. Why are you wasting time? Oh my god. This one. Yes. This one. Where's the keys? Oh my god. Too close. Oh my god. Just made it in time. Oh my god. So, there's supposed to be a way. Great. Excuse me. Great. You know what? I just want to make a video here. You know what? You know what? I'll play a game that's not mine. I'll do it. See? I'm doing it. All just for you guys. To show you these clothes things. I guess. There. This elevator is not good. Oh my, that's the worst elevator ever. Like, no elevator can be good. It's like that. No, going down a long road.